Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. This is my Triumph Street Cup 2018. This is my first bike. I got it probably, oh god, when did I get it? 3 or 4 months ago, 3 months ago, something like that. And yeah, in that time I've somehow managed to put 1,500 miles on it, which, you know, is fairly good going. Oh, he's pulling over. Alright, fine, Mr. Bambini, we'll go past. Thank you very much. Cheers. Good man. Good man. We like people like that, very considerate. So yeah, here we are, out in the English countryside, which is a fabulous place to be. I'm not a city person. By no fucking means am I a city person. I love my space, I love my quiet. But I like ruining everyone else's quiet with my loud motorbike and car. What is that? What is that? Christ. Some kind of cursed idol. Jesus. Got to be careful around these parts. A lot of witches and warlocks. Hold on. Shit. Road ahead closed. That is not my favourite thing to ever happen. So, a little bit about me. Not wildly interesting, but you know, it fills the silence. So, my name's Matt. I'm 22 years old. I am a fuel-filled cretin. Honestly, like I'm a complete pervert for anything that runs on unleaded. So, yeah, not ideal in a lot of ways. For my bank account, for my friends who constantly get it in the fucking ear about whatever latest car or blah 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 blah. I've always been more kind of into my cars, you know. I've Jesus, like that's been my longest running passion. Cars, everything else just fades away, you know. Like most things do in life, you get to a certain age and then the passion fades away. Oh, I see some gravel. Oh, lovely. Oh, I can't wait to bin my bike. Yep, thank you, cheers. That's my pet fucking peeve, people who don't thank people that way. My god. Along with most other things, to be honest, like I wouldn't say I'm a miserable cunt, but I am a bit of a miserable cunt. Oh, god, this bike sounds fabulous. It sounds fucking gorgeous. You know, so many of these bikes, they look fabulous, but they have a kind of pootily little engine, which is not what you're. Oh, the fucking hell. I have a very large erection over the sound of this motorcycle. I don't mind saying it. Oh, fabulous tractor. Cool. Well, this will be a good time to just sit and poodle. So yeah, anything else about me? So what do I do for a living? I am a 3D artist. So yeah, I've been doing that for about 3 years now. I work full-time from home for a company involved in producing data, synthetic data for So yeah, I work for a company that produces synthetic data sets for training AI and that type of thing. So I support them as a 3D artist, basically making things look real to trick a computer and make it smart as human. And the fact that I can work from home means I can be incredibly deceitful and go motorcycle riding when it suits me, which is fabulous. Yeah, so in terms of making these videos and what I'm hoping to do, I don't really have a plan or anything, as you can probably tell by the fact that not one of these sentences has made sense or strung together. Well, I've always quite liked making videos. I've had a string of very obscure YouTube channels over the last, well, God, last 10 years probably, who knows. So yeah, I don't know what this channel will be. It could be nothing, could be me making a random motorcycle video once every 15 years. Could end up as a regular kind of thing where I just dump whatever guff I fancy making. That's right, that's probably what I'll end up. Alright, that's a big lorry. That's probably what it'll end up being, to be honest. A place that I can dump all the fucking guff that I'm making. Whatever I upload to this strange jumbled channel, almost certainly it will result in just a lot of shit talking from me. I am phenomenal at just talking absolute fucking guff and not generally making much sense, so, but I think that comes with having a very small brain. Well, I want to potentially also make some car videos. I don't know whether anyone would be interested in that, since there's already a plethora of lovely people making car videos. You know, a nice loud motorcycle is it's fairly attention seeking, but I can be alone whilst I do it, which is nice. You know, I don't really have to pay, well, you have to pay attention to people, but I don't have to talk to anyone other than myself right now, and you, the listener. I find it quite reflective riding around in the countryside, especially in the countryside where you don't really have to think too much about what you're doing. Obviously you have to pay attention because a tractor could just come out of a fucking hedge and delete you, but yeah, it's not, I don't think it's as stressful as city riding or town riding or whatever. So you can just poot along and kind of think to yourself and reflect on your day and how it's all going and what you can have for dinner and how much you want a cup of tea. Okay, and that's another tractor. That's the only bad thing about the countryside, is a hell of a lot of fucking tractors around, and they all want to delete you. I mean, it's not a particularly quick bike as it is. Yes, it's, you know, 900cc or whatever, but the actual power output isn't particularly savage, which is good for me, because I can pootle around, look good, sound good, but I hopefully, fingers crossed, won't send myself to the shadow realm too quickly, or put it in a ditch. Oh, that being said though, there's always time. That'd be a good first video actually. Putting my Triumph Street Cup in a ditch. Where are we going? Kenton? Where is Kenton? Where am I? I don't know where I am. I'm gonna need my mummy to come and rescue me. Mummy, I got lost. Mummy, I got lost and I don't know where I am. Bring orange slices. I'm hungry. I don't know why orange slices make me laugh. I don't think I ever received orange slices as a kid, because normally they're reserved for children who do sports. And I was not about to be doing any sports, even for orange slices. I don't think oh, cat! Pretty cat, you're gonna die if you keep doing shit like that. I'll make sure of it. Next time I catch you, I will pizza you across the road. You will look like someone dropped a lasagna on a trampoline. If anyone's interested, I am using a GoPro Hero 4 Silver with a Purple Panda lavalier microphone, which I got today. Because there's been many a times where I've gone out just with my GoPro, got home and realised it sounds like 15,000 people eating a packet of crisps in a tunnel. I'm not quite sure why that's the analogy I've picked there, but I think it almost works. Don't know where I am still, I will say that. Still not entirely sure where I am. Mummy will be getting a phone call in a minute to come pick me up, and I will be sobbing quietly by my bike. Oh look, it's a mate, we're going to do the nod. Oh, he loves the nod, he loves it. Oh, I should, oh fine, we'll just pull over here. It smells like shit over here, I will tell you. You're very lucky you don't have smell-o-vision. So, this is my 2018 Street Cup, which I fucking love very much. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, just the look of it, the sound of it, everything. It's brilliant. The only thing I don't love are these. These, I think, are potentially the ugliest fucking things on the planet. I might just knock them off at some point. So yeah, that's what I'm working with currently. Oh, it does sound good though. Doesn't it just sound good? To be honest, not loving this road so far. It's very bumpy and gravelly and shit, I think is the word that's coming to mind. Oh, look at this fucking autumnal scene. Check this out. Yeah, we're definitely hitting autumn here in the UK at the moment. Oh, that's a horrible bit of road. I don't feel like, oh, pothole, Jesus, pothole, cow shit. Where am I? Where on earth am I? I foresee a few things happening within the time I manage to reach the end of this road. Will he, 1, slip on a big pile of cow shit and put it in a ditch? 2, get deleted by a big tractor? Will he, 3, go down a pothole and his spine shatters in 15 places?